Ready to declutter your digital life and simplify your Facebook experience by deleting those extra profiles. First, grab your phone and fire up the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged into the main account you want to keep. Now tap the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu, usually located in the bottom right corner on iPhones, or top right on Android devices. This opens your menu. Scroll down through the menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on that to expand it. From the expanded menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. In the settings page, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type profile, then tap the profile setting in the search result. On the profile settings page, find and tap on Profile Access and Control. It is listed under Account Ownership and Control. On the Profile Access and Control page, you will be able to permanently delete the profile. You should select Delete Account instead of Deactivate Account, then tap Continue to Account Deletion. Facebook will then present steps to ensure you want to continue. Click Delete Account again. And that's it. You've successfully deleted the additional profile. Remember, this action is permanent, so be absolutely sure before you proceed. Enjoy your streamlined Facebook experience.